Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 5 group. We will here to be presented the conducting of qualitative research. My name is Aulia Zulfa Indi Putri.
Me, Ramadanti Putri Rahmawati.
And my name is Aisyah Tulandari.
Hello, my name is Kinyan Nurhasana.
Qualitative research method is an approach where research findings are not obtained through statistical procedure or other form of calculation. This procedure produces findings obtained from data collected using a variety of means. This tool include observation and interview, but can also include document, book, video tape, and even data that have been computed for other purpose such as census data. In qualitative research, the step or stage are broadly divided into three parts. The first, preparation or file stage, and the second, file board, and the third, stage of data analysis.
And the next, John V. Creswell. 1. The assumption of qualitative design. 2. The type of design. 3. The research rule. 4. The data collection procedure. 5. Data recording procedure. 6. Data analysis procedure. 7. Verification step. And then 8. The qualitative narrative. Di sini John V. Creswell menulis langkah untuk menulis desain kualitatif, yaitu 1. Asumsi desain kualitatif, 2. Jenis desain, 3. Peran penelitian, 4. Prosedur pengumpulan data, 5. Prosedur pencatatan data, kemudian prosedur analisis data, lalu langkah-langkah verifikasi, dan terakhir adalah narasi kualitatif. Sedangkan Matthew B. Miles and Michael Huberman 1. Building a conceptual framework, 2. Formulating research problem, and then 3. Sample selection and research, and next limitation, instrumentation, data collection, data analysis, metric, and conclusion testing. Kemudian Matthew B. Miles and Michael Huberman juga menuliskan langkah-langkah. 1. Membangun kerangka konseptual, kemudian formulating penelitian, sampel dan penelitian, keterbatasan, peralatan, pengumpulan data, analisis data, dan terakhir adalah pengujian metrik dan kesimpulan.
Okay, here I will explain about stage in qualitative research. The first is preparation, the second is field, and the last is data processing. The first is preparation. Preparation has 6 stages that must have in a qualitative research. The first is develop a research design. The research that will be carried out departs from problems in the scope of ongoing events and can be observed and verified in real time during the research. The events that are observed in the context of the activities of person or organization. The second is selecting a field. In accordance with the problems raised in the study, the research location used as the data source was chosen, assuming that in qualitative research the number of informants did not really have an effect on the context. Also, with the reasons for the selection that was determined at recommendations from parties directly related to the field, such as the quality and condition of the school. Apart from being based on the recommendation from related parties, it also looks at the diversity of communities around the place that place difference and their potential capabilities. The third is taking care of permits. Taking care of various things needed for the smooth running of research activities, especially in relation to the method used, which is qualitative. then the permit from the bureaucracy in question is usually needed because this will affect the condition of the environment in the presence of someone who is not known or known. By using permits, it will reduce the closeness of the field to our presence as researchers. The fourth is exploring and assessing the situation. After administrative competence are complete, the obtained as provision for legalizing our activities. What really needs to be done is the process of field assessment and socialization of ourselves with the situation. Because we are the main tools, so we will determine whether the field is disturbed so that a lot of data cannot be extracted or hidden. That the field accept us as the part of their members so that any data can be extracted because they are not disturbed. The fifth is select and make us of informants. When we explore and socialize ourselves in the field, there is another important thing that we need to do, namely to determine a work partner as our second eye, who can provide a lot of information about the situation in the field. The selected informants must be truly people who are independent from other people and us, as well as independent from research interest or career interest. The sixth or last is prepare research instruments. In the qualitative research, researchers are spearhead as data collectors or instruments. Researchers go directly to the field to gather the required information. Researchers as the main instrument in the qualitative research, including the following characteristic. First is researchers as sensitive tools. B. Researchers as a tool can adjust to aspects of the situation that can collect various data at once. C. The situation is a whole. D. An interaction that involves human interaction. E. The researchers as instrument can immediately analyze the data obtained. F. Only human as instruments can draw conclusion from the data obtained. G. With human as instruments, the string response will receive close attention. In the context of data collection purposes, the techniques used can be a form of activities. A is observation, B is interview, and C is documentation study, and D is ethical issues in the research.
And the next, field. Number 1, understand and enter the field. Understand the research background, open background, where people interact openly so that researchers only observe. Closed settings where researchers interact directly with people. Number 2, active in activities or data collection. The qualitative approach used depart from the fact that the results obtained can be seen from the process as a whole. To meet accurate results, this approach places the researchers as the main instrument in extracting and processing the qualitative data obtained. And the last, data processing. Number 1, data reduction. The data obtained is written in the form of reports or detailed data. Number 2, data display. The data obtained are categorized according to the subject matter and made in the form of a matrix, making it easier for researchers to see patterns of relationships between one data and another. Number 3, data analysis. Examples of data analysis used are such as the content analysis model, which include clarifying the symbols used in communication, use criteria in clarification, and using analytical techniques in prediction. Number 4, taking conclusions and verification. From the previous activities, the next step is to conclude and verify the data that has been processed or transferred into forms that are in accordance with the patterns of problem solving carried out. Number 5. Increase the validity of results. Credibility or internal validity, transferability, dependability, and the last, narrative of analysis research. The discussion in qualitative research presents information in the form of written text or in the forms of inanimate or living image, such as photos and videos and others. Okay, I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.